In today's interconnected world, managing finances across borders has become increasingly common for individuals and businesses alike. Platforms like Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, have emerged as popular solutions, offering a streamlined and often more cost-effective way to send, receive, and manage money internationally. This widespread use, however, sometimes leads to questions about the company's identity and branding. So, let's address a fundamental point. What is the new name of Wise Bank? To be precise, Wise is not a bank. While it offers many services that might seem similar to traditional banking, it operates as a financial technology company specializing in international money transfers and multi-currency accounts. Therefore, the question of its new bank name is based on a slight misunderstanding of its operational structure. The accurate answer is that TransferWise rebranded its entire company name to Wise on February 22, 2021. This wasn't a change to become a bank, but rather a strategic move to better reflect the company's expanding services beyond just money transfers. Let's delve deeper into why this name change occurred and what it signifies for users and the financial landscape. The evolution beyond transfers. When TransferWise first launched in 2011, its primary focus was on disrupting the traditional, often expensive and opaque system of international money transfers. Co-founders Christo Carmen and Tavid Hinrichs sought to provide a fairer and more transparent way for people to move money across borders by leveraging peer-to-peer technology. The name TransferWise aptly described this core service, a wise way to make international transfers. However, over the years, the company's offerings grew significantly. It introduced multi-currency accounts, debit cards for international spending, and business accounts designed for global operations. These expansions meant that the name TransferWise no longer fully encompassed the breadth of services the company provided. It had evolved into a platform that facilitated various aspects of international finance, not just transfers. The strategic rebrand to Wise. The decision to rebrand to Wise was a deliberate one, aiming to align the company's name with its broader mission of making international money management seamless and accessible. The new name is more encompassing and reflects the wisdom the platform aims to provide in navigating the complexities of global finance. Here's a breakdown of the key reasons behind the rebranding. Reflecting expanded services, Wise better represents the diverse range of services offered, including multi-currency accounts, international spending, and business solutions, rather than solely focusing on transfers. Broader appeal. The name Wise has a more universal and less specific connotation, potentially attracting a wider audience beyond those just looking to send money abroad. Future-proofing the brand. The rebranding positioned the company for future growth and the potential introduction of new international financial services without being limited by its original name. Simplicity and memorability. Wise is a concise and easily memorable name, which can be advantageous in a competitive global market. What Wise actually offers, not just bank services. To further clarify why Wise isn't a bank, let's look at its core offerings. International money transfers. This remains a central service, allowing users to send money to over 80 countries with transparent fees and the real mid-market exchange rate. Multi-currency accounts. Wise enables users to hold and manage money in over 50 currencies. They receive local bank details for major currencies like Euro, GBP, USD, AUD, allowing them to receive money like a local. Wise Debit Card. This card allows users to spend money internationally in multiple currencies with low conversion fees. Business accounts. Wise offers specialized accounts for businesses with features like multi-currency balances, international payments, and team access. Wise Platform. This allows banks and other businesses to integrate Wise's international payment infrastructure into their own services.